Good morning, my dear friends. This is Pooja Agarwal Rao, and I invite you to take a journey with me. This journey is about NLP. I've started a course, I'm learning a course. NLP is Neuro Linguistic Programming. You can uh, find out a lot about it from YouTube. Uh, if you take a look at videos of our trainer, our teacher trainer, Mr. Ram Verma, it will give you the gist of what is NLP, what is neuro, the pathways in our mind, and what is linguistic, how language is used to program your life. Today, I will start with the first lesson that we've been given. If you join me on this journey, by the end of it, by the end of 30 days, we will all know a whole lot about what it is, and you can change your life in multifaceted manner, and be creators, be magicians of a sort. So today we've done something called the journey from perception to destiny. The journey from perception to destiny, in the sense, how do we perceive life and how that affects what we later call destiny. So NLP tells us that perception is in the form of what we see, what we take up from the world. These are generally five. These methods are five. It can be visual, it can be auditory, it can be a feeling we've picked up from a certain situation, it can be olfactory, what we've smelt, because certain memories come with a certain smell, and it can be gustatory. Some tastes remind us of certain days in our life, whether childhood or college or school lives, right? So, what happens is these are our perceptions, the first step of perception, that we've seen something and it's one event, and then we have these uh, factors which help us perceive it. What happens after that is we do not take it in as it is. We have seen something, but when it gets into our mind and is stored away, it is after a thing called deletion or distortion or generalization. These are the three sort of villains that change what happened to what we label it as or what we remember it as. All right. What is deletion? We very happily delete certain very important parts of what we've seen. We distort it. We add more material to it than what was the truth of the situation. And then we generalize. We generalize depending upon our own beliefs. Now, after this, what happens is the minute we have deleted and distorted and generalized it and we've taken it in, the next step we create is that we make it into a memory. It can be what we know as smriti, as a memory, which is in Hindi also called हमारी यादें, कि मुझे याद है उस दिन, and we'll always have a visual with it in our heads, like a movie, a sound that will be playing, it'll have a certain smell or a taste, or it'll have a certain feeling attached to it, whether anxiety or happiness, right? This becomes a perception. Third step, what will happen is this perception will create a state. It will create a state. The total, what is happening in our mind whenever we think of that memory becomes the state. Now, this state, from the minute we have seen something, we have perceived it, we have deleted, distorted, generalized it, we have created a memory which is permanent in our head, and now it is going to lead up to a state which will be either resourceful or unresourceful. Now, a resourceful state will be what? When we can use our resources. Use our resources, money, that what is there that we are born with, whether it is a happy disposition, whether we are people who want to create. These are our resources, our skill set, our hobbies, our pluses, in our nature. It gives us a resourceful state, and we will find ourselves optimistic, creative, filled with life, raring to go. Or then it can be an unresourceful state. Some memories, कुछ यादें हमें डुबो भी देती हैं. There is a day which seems heavy. We get into a depression. We become anxious when we remember exams where we didn't do well. A movie like Jab We Met shows that train, and Kareena trying to run and catch it. It filled her with anxiety. It was a memory. Now, resourceful state and an unresourceful state, the minute we get into it, the next step is that we will all have a different perception of the same scene. what creates this deletion and distortion and generalization in our heads is our value system. It will depend upon what is our value system. It will be very personal because it will be our values in coming from our family. We call it sanskar. It will be gender related. Are you a man or a woman? You will perceive it differently. What is your caste? What is your status in the society? Financially, how well to do you are or not. Or then it will also have some other such factors, which is the reason we delete something, we distort something, and we generalize something. And then the minute we do that, after we have finished defining it and putting it away in a pocket, we take an action. This action can either be verbal or physiological. All right, whatever action we've taken, because कुछ भी जब हमने taken किया, whether it is a movie or it's a song or it's a scene, and we have deleted, distorted, generalized, created a state in ourselves. If it's resourceful, we'll take an action. If it's unresourceful, we'll take an action. It will be either verbal or physiological. And my dear friends, these 6 steps add up to what we call destiny. Destiny is not a voodoo or a magic or something that's written somewhere. All these steps add up to destiny, sum total of our actions. जो आपने कर्म कर लिए, उसके बाद आपको उसका कोई नतीजा मिलेगा, and that is destiny. This is day 1, the first morning session of NLP teacher trainers, a competent teacher trainer course, and stay with me. I'll take you through the journey with me. As I learn, I will share, and we will grow together. End of the month, end of 30 days, 22nd December, we will all have created a brand new life. Thank you. Have a brilliant day. Bye-bye.